Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you my first Halloween tutorial for the year. I have a lot of ideas and a lot of videos are going to be coming up very soon. That's why I started uploading so early. I have always wanted to try the nun makeup.
Hey! Can't you see this woman's a nun?
And I have finally got a chance to get around to it this year, and I am obsessed with how it came out. Oh my gosh, can we just talk about how creepy these pictures are? I'm obsessed. Before anything, I just want to give a big shout out to Moraima. She's a really good friend of mine, helped me take some professional pictures of my makeup. She's amazing. I really recommend you guys checking her out. Please go give her some love for these amazing pictures. Go ahead and follow her on her Instagram, and you can like her photography page on Facebook. Here's a few pictures of her work, so if you guys are interested, I'll have all her information linked down below. I didn't want to set up my lights because it takes so long and set up the backdrop, so I'm just filming in front of my vanity, which is okay because I have pretty good lighting from it. I mainly use inspiration from Google images of the nun. There's plenty of inspiration that you can get from there. The first thing that you'll be needing is a lot of makeup wipes because, girl, it's going to be hard to take it off. Well, it's just going to be time consuming. And I have the Morphe 35B palette. I always say this is a must for Halloween. I also have the CCBeauty Flash palettes. I got these off of Amazon, if anyone was wondering. First things first, I gotta get my hair out of the way. And next, going in with a glue stick just to lay down my eyebrows, because we don't need eyebrows for this tutorial. It took me a while to get them super flat. To smooth it out so it doesn't look so goopy and messy, just grab a little bit of eyebrow with your finger, and water with your finger, and then just run it over and it'll smooth it out. Smooth it out. The next thing that I'm doing, I'm just setting my eyebrows with some white eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to start coloring my whole face in white with these disposable makeup sponges. I really recommend them for this type of makeup. And I was watching the game, sorry. Let's go Broncos! This was pretty time consuming. I was like, dang, I'm still working on my face. I really recommend getting a white face paint. Once your face is covered in white, I just set it with the same white eyeshadow that I was using before. Make sure my neck is blended in pretty well. Took forever. Next, I'll be going in with this black color, and I'm just gonna focus this on my lid. It doesn't matter if it looks messy right now, because we're gonna blend and blend and blend. What's nice about this makeup is it doesn't have to be perfect. This look, it took me a lot of adjusting. Like, I would do something and then I would fix it, but it all came together at the end. I really recommend using brushes that you don't really use, like old brushes or some cheap little art brushes for this look. So there's two pictures that I'm really referencing that were my main inspiration for this look. This first image, which is what I mainly based everything off of. This second image, I really wanted to get that vibe of a painting. So later on I add some like little stipples on my face to give it that effect. And I'm just going back and forth with sponges and brushes just to get different textures and looks on my eye. Here I'm just adding some black eyeshadow to set the black paint, and also making it a little bit more messy with my finger. I went ahead and popped on some yellow contacts. I'll link down below a really good website to buy some creepy Halloween contacts. Right here, I'm kind of just contouring my cheekbones because I don't have any, so I have to make them. Then here I'm going in with a very thin detail brush. All the detailing that I'm doing, I'm using black eyeshadow. I don't use any black paint for the detailing because it would look too harsh. I'm just making myself look really angry. Oh my gosh, I laugh so hard every time I see my concentrated face. I don't know why I open my mouth so much. I'm like, oh. I don't know why. So creepy. Oh my gosh, like I creep myself out. And here I'm just making a little pointy nose. This is how I'm gonna make like my crooked nose. This little brush that I have from Morphe, it was so helpful for detailing parts, especially for the nose. I feel like it was the perfect brush to use. See? Okay, so next I'm taking that same black paint and then very messy, not being clean at all. You don't need to be clean here. And then just taking different brushes, kind of smudging it around, and also going back with that same black eyeshadow to set the lips. Here I'm taking this brush with some very coarse bristles and just doing some stippling motions with the white paint. I'm doing her crow's feet. They were like super crazy. She has these like little dark veins, and I just kind of go over it with the sponge. It kind of looks like it's under your skin. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The costume I got was pretty cheap looking. Not gonna lie, but it's still, you get the picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and make sure to turn on your notification button so the next time I upload you get a notification. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy rest of your weekend.
Oh, this is gonna go. Hold on! Hold on! Do my best, love. Do the mission. I'm like, okay. You have a wonderful day. A blessing.